All right, guys, today we're gonna be reviewing a casual long sleeve shirt. Here's what's in the bag. We got this nice casual khaki long sleeve shirt. So you can see it doesn't have a collar. The collar is round. The material is breathable. It feels really nice for here for Florida. You can wear this to go to lunch. You can pair it with some shorts or some jeans, or some long pants. It's not heavy. This one is quarter button, so it's not button all the way down. It's just quarter that you can wear it opened up like here. It's comfortable. It's breathable. It looks like a shirt that you will wear if you go on vacation, or you can use to go to work or to a party. You can use casual too. You can roll your your sleeves and then make it a new look. Definitely recommend it. It looks really nice. So let's see how it looks on me. All right, so this is how it looks when you put it on. I love the round bottom. It looks pretty cool. You can wear it outside your shorts or your pants because of that little curve back here. I like how it looks like this back here. You can wear it like that or you can put it inside. It fits perfectly. You can see no collar, but it looks cool. So you can unbutton it if you want to for a more casual look or not. And if you want it more casual, wear it with shorts or jeans, or you're going to a not formal event but more casual, you can just roll up your sleeve and that makes it look a little bit more casual. Looks cool. So you get two looks. You get the casual look or the more professional look. You can wear it to work or to just go out. So definitely recommend it. This is how it fits. This is extra large. I'm about 5'8", 210, 15 pounds. So that's this is how it fits. So I hope this video helped and thank you for watching.